Welcome to your first Kegelbell workout. I'm Jennifer and I'm going to get you started. So just like with any strength training workout, consistency is going to be the key. So what we suggest doing is using this for 5 minutes a day, 3 times a week. But you can also use it every day. Personally, I like to use it in my shower every day. Now to get started, you need to find your baseline weight. If you don't know what that is, please check out our starter video guide to understand what your baseline weight should be. It should be a weight that you can hold for about 10 seconds. Before we do any exercise with Kegelbell, make sure that you wash your hands and the bulb insert with water and soap. Now to get started, you're going to stand with your feet hip width apart. And you're going to slightly bend your knees so you're in a slight squat. Then you're going to take the bulb and insert it as you would a tampon. If you need the weight, simply add the weight to the cord so that it's hanging like this. The weight is outside of your body and the bulb is inside of your body. Now once you're there, squeeze for 10 seconds and then relax for 20 seconds. Repeat that sequence for 5 minutes. During that time, you might find that the weight is challenging or even that your body drops the bulb. And that's great. That just means you're getting a really good workout. If you find that this is not challenging, then you want to increase the number of seconds that you squeeze. So for example, you might want to squeeze for 20 seconds and then rest for 40. Make sure that every time you increase the amount of seconds you squeeze, you also double the amount of seconds you rest. The great thing about Kegelbell is that you will always do the proper Kegel. The point of the workouts though is to make sure we're really engaging those muscles to get you the right challenge for your body so that you can get stronger faster. If you get to the point where you can hold the weights for a full minute, it's time to increase weights. But make sure every time you add weight, you come back to this workout to find your baseline sequence. As you begin to add weights, you might need more of a challenge, and we have you covered. We have a slew of workouts available on the Kegelbell.com website, and you can find many plans that make sure that you're constantly challenged. And as always, if you have any questions, make sure you call us, email us, or message us. We're here to help you. Happy Kegling.